Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube. Today is SketchBox day. Looks like I actually got this box a little bit early. I believe this is a September box. I said I was going to stop getting this box, and in fact my subscription had ended, but I got such good comments. All of you really like the SketchBox, so I decided to renew. And I'm all in now because I went for 12 months. So for the next 12 months, I will be doing these videos for you guys. Definitely let me know what you like, what you don't like, things like that. So we can definitely improve these videos for you. But in the meantime, let's see what's in here. Beautiful picture of artwork this month by Danielle Maitland. And it tells you how to get her Instagram. Very pretty picture. And you can get your art on SketchBox as well. It says use the supplies in this box and tag us with #SketchBox for a chance to get your artwork on the box. So that's pretty neat. I'm very excited. I have no clue what's inside this month's box. Let's check it out. First up is the little card that tells you a little bit about, this is another artist card. This is Adriana Garcia. She is the featured artist of the September. And it is September, so beautiful flower drawing. Really like that. And then this one actually tells you where to go to actually see how to use some of these items, as well as a description of the items. We don't need to look at that because we are going to jump in and see what's in here. Oh, lots of goodies this month. Don't see any paper, so give me a second and I will grab some paper so we can swatch this stuff as we are going. And this is just my B paper book. Love the size. Got it from another kit. I don't remember which kit. Probably Palette Packs. First up is a folder for one of the pins that probably fell out, so you can ignore that. I'm assuming it was the mechanical. Let's look at the, very nice. It's a SketchBox. Very cute, colorful fox in this month's, there we go, in this month's sticker. Love that. So the drawing pencil is a Draftmatic pencil, 0.9 millimeters. It's got very grippy grips. Draftmatic. Very nice, very smooth drawing pencil. Oh, this is super cool. So when you're putting the lead in, you can actually turn this so that you can set it so that the pen knows, so you know in the future what type of lead you put in. So you've got HB or F. I believe it's probably HB in this one. I just want to make sure that I don't mess it up. Okay, I don't know. But there you go. That is pretty neat, so that you'll always know what kind of lead you have in your pencils. And then I think it did come in this little case to protect it. So very nice. We'll look at the prices and how much they say they're worth shortly. We've got a Spectrum Noir pencil, but take a look at this because the words got cut off on the pencil. So it's a color something by Spectrum Noir, and it's in the color of clay. So definitely got one of the yeah, Misfits. I got one of the Misfits. There we go. Sorry about that. Couldn't think of a good word. So this is in clay, and I do love Spectrum Noir pencils. They're usually pretty smooth. Very nice. Next up we have I'm not sure. It's one of the Swiss pencils. Caron. And if I say it wrong, you guys are gonna correct me. Anyways, it's in a Peruvian blue color. Oh, I think it's too bright to see that. There we go. Very pretty. Well, it says it's Peruvian. Peruvian blue must just be the color of the pencil itself, because it is definitely a lead pencil. A graphite pencil, apologies. So we'll look at that on the list shortly. We got a Princeton Lauren number 6 paintbrush. Very nice. Another pencil. Carmen Lake, it says. Let's see if this one's graphite. It is, but it's very dark, softer pencil. So I'm not really familiar with these drawing pencils, but they're very nice. They're very smooth. This one, of course, says it's dark green. I'm a little confused. Because they're definitely not the colors. They're definitely graphite pencils. So there you go. And then we have a Derwent SketchBox. So it looks like they partnered. Very nice. Custom set of pencils is made possible by the partnership between SketchBox and Derwent. I do love Derwent pencils. I also love it when it comes in a case. And these are graphite tint. Use dry Derwent graphite tint provides just a hint of color, but adding water transforms the tint into rich, vibrant shades. Available in 24 color tints ranging from soft grays, blues, and greens. So we've got white, sage, slate green, light wash, which would be a black, dark wash, which would be a black. Actually, it looks like it might be a blue. And just dark. And this one says dark onyx. So let's take a look. And I have used the wash ones before. I love them. Very nice slate green color. It's pretty cool because it actually looks like kind of a mix between the graphite and the green. You can see it on there. I'm just going to try to draw on something to show the white. I don't have any black cardstock handy. because I just cleaned my studio. Go. Let's see the white on that. And then let's try adding some water. So there's the water, of course, washed off for me on the box. Okay, so here's the sage with water. Very nice, look at that. Slate green. The dark wash. The light wash. And then the one that just says dark. Not much of a wash on that one. And then just because I don't know what these other pencils are just yet. So these are very water. That is pretty cool. So these are colored also. So this one was the green, I believe. This one was this one. And then this one's going to be the blue. So those are very complementary to these down here. Same with the clay. And then of course the draft pencil is just a draft pencil. So very cool. Let's see the value of each item according to SketchBox. Wanted to put these back. There we go. Okay, so the custom Derwent pencil set retails for $14.50, and that is a staff favorite. The retail price of the Draftmatic is also $14.50, so that's just less than $30 right there. It's $29. And then you've got the 3 Caran Dace Tech Olo RGB pencils that are $3.75 a piece. They're a staff favorite. We're so impressed with these pencils. The color washes capable by using a wet brush have to be seen to be believed. The muted red, green, and blue colors balance out the color palette to your custom Derwent, which I absolutely agree. The Spectrum Noir color tint as well, that was the clay one, it's pretty cool. Retails for $2. And then the brush, the Princeton Lauren number 6, retails for $7.85. So let's get out the calculator. So for 1 month of, this is the premium box. So for 1 month of the premium box, it costs $35. If you just buy 1 month at a time and don't get the 6-pack or 12-pack or whatever. plus shipping. You do have to pay for shipping on these. But the value, according to SketchBox, which I didn't look anywhere else, but I'm sure if you looked around you could find it cheaper. And my computer's not agreeing with me. It's $46.35. So about the same price if you include the shipping, but of course you would pay for shipping on each individual item, plus it's curated, so you definitely can take a look. All of these work amazingly together. We will definitely do a drawing probably a little bit later this month to see what we can get from this kit, from this box. So thanks for watching, thanks for joining. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. Definitely let me know what you liked, what you didn't like in this box, and what your favorite item is. I think mine might be this slate green, so that would make the whole Derwent box my favorite. But this pencil is pretty cool too. Let's see if there's anything cool that it says. So it just says the large lead size of 0.9 millimeters to sketch out your ideas before adding the other pencils to water washes. So very cool mechanical pencil. Very excited to see what I can create. And thanks for watching.